Hi there. Are you scared of treating patients for full mouth rehabilitation? Do you remember the last time a full mouth rehabilitation patient walked into your clinic? This could be a bruxer with a completely collapsed bite or a clencher with a deep bite. Did that give you a massive shot of anxiety? Did it fill your head with everything that could possibly go wrong? What if the porcelain fractures? What if the patient cannot eat food? What if the patient has food lodgement? What if the patient develops a TMJ problem? Oh my god, what will I do then? You know what? छोड़ो यार, सीधे prosthodontist को ही बुलाते हैं clinic. If this is your thought process, my friend, you are not alone. Unfortunately, treating mutilated dentitions for a full mouth is not something we are taught, but there is hope. Let me tell you, there is method to this madness, and if you follow the right protocols, you can treat every full mouth rehabilitation with confidence. Not just treat, look forward to treating them. Friends, I am Dr. Moez 𝐂𝐞𝐫𝐭𝐢𝐟𝐢𝐞𝐝, a prosthodontist by profession, but a die-hard teacher by passion. And for over 10 years, I have trained thousands of dentists in the art of full mouth reconstruction. Friends, I truly put in endless hours of love, dedication, and hard work into designing every individual slide of my presentation to make them extremely visual and thus easy to understand. I guess that's one of the reasons why past participants have said, sir, your courses are the best in dentistry ever. Friends, I would genuinely be humbled if you join my full mouth rehabilitation course and be a part of my FMR family. I sure look forward to seeing you on the other side.